Today is 5th May 2026 and I promised you free FIFA 26 templates. Join me and let's discuss more, plus a special notice to share. Let's do this. Finally, what I promised you is here, free FIFA 26 templates, as you've been seeing in most of my videos. In today's video, I'm showing you two different artworks from the free templates pack. The first one we are going to talk about is this artwork you see here. It's the man of the match. So I have different versions for this, so that when you download the zip file, you are going to see different options for the man of the match and other artworks. This is how I went about it. With the teams, you can see we have Egypt versus Ghana. By the way, I'm a Ghanaian, so if you want to change any of these teams here, you select the one you want to change, and then you can see this option right here. It says replace image, so you click on it, then you select the team you want. So I'm going to provide you with the team logos I have at the moment. I'm replacing it with this. Very simple and very easy to do. So all the templates, it's very simple and easy to change. If you don't like something about it, you can just turn it off. If you don't want this ball here, you can just turn it off, or probably you can delete it if you want. If maybe you don't want let's say this is an icon from the FIFA 26 logo, so if I don't want this, I can turn it off. If I want to bring back the ball, I can turn it on like this. Depending on how you want the design to look like, it depends on you. All you need to do is to just download the zip file, choose the template you want, and then you are good to go. The same procedure we did for the team logos, we can change the picture here. So I've selected the image, I drop this arrow down, I have this adjustment here, so that is for the vibrance. So you notice there's some changes. When I turn it on, there's another changes, so the colors is popping out well. I want to change this image here, I just select replace, and then I select the image I want. So if it's this, and I can increase it like this. Very simple and very easy to do. If you want to change the text, I think you already know how to do it. So I'm currently using this font. You probably don't have some of the fonts I'm using. The best font site you can use is Font Share, the font, or BeFonts. So what you need to do is to select the name like this, and you copy it, and then you open your browser, probably maybe Google Chrome, and then you paste the name, the plumber space BeFont, or maybe the font, depending on which one you want to use to search this particular font. You are going to get it, and then you download and install it. Before we proceed to the next template I want to show you, I stated earlier on from the beginning that there's a special notice I want to share. Today happens to be my birthday. Yes, this is my birthday gift from me to you. You can show me some love, okay? So I will leave a link in the description where it takes you to a website called Selar. If you are in Ghana using Momo, or you're a foreigner abroad using MasterCard or Visa card, the show love link works perfectly for everyone. It's a platform where you probably see my storefront. This is actually the website you will get this template for free. You just have to click on it and then subscribe with your email, so that if I drop free templates / paid templates, you are going to see them right in front of my store. Okay, so with that being said, let's jump straight into the next template. This is the second template I want to show you. So you're going to get this as well in the free design templates pack. This artwork you are seeing here is for match day. This is an example of it. This is also very easy for you to customize the way you want it. As I stated in my previous template, if you are missing out on a particular font, you know how to get it. So very simple, you can just change this text and type something different. You can also change the team logos here just by replacing it. If you also want to change this image here, the same way you can change the image by replacing it, or probably if you don't want it, you can turn it off and try something new so that it fits the way you actually want it to look like. When I select this is the blue sky. I can turn it off, and then I can change the text behind here to black, so something like this. So depending on how you want it, and this is how I did this blue sky. Let me show you. I select my shape tool, make sure you're in a vector studio, and then I draw a shape like this. for example, we have this shape here. Let me deselect the stroke effect, and then let me change this color to this. When I turn it off, you can see something here. It looks as if it's a gradient, but it's not a gradient. This is how I did it. I turned this one on, and then I switch to the Pixel Studio, and then I select the erase brush tool using the dimensions here, the opacity 25, the flow 20, and leaving your hardness to 0, and also the accumulation to 100. You're probably going to get this kind of effect for the blue sky. So I just erase it like this. So the moment you are erasing it, you are going to see some changes. So this is actually how I did it. And also, when you are erasing it, always select the layer before you start erasing. So if I turn the blue sky off, this is what we have. Very simple and very easy to do. And if you want to change the color for this, you don't need to start the whole process. Just select the layer here and change the color to any color you want. Okay, so this is the third option for the match day. So this is actually the full image of Mohamed Kudus, so I had to increase the size here a bit. That is why you don't see the leg portion the same way I did for here. And I decided to add some shadow effect here. I think you know how to create this. If you found this video very helpful, which I know you've been waiting for this moment, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave your comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't miss out.